Mi gente, for the 25 days of recipes, today vamos a hacer homemade empanada en pastelito dough. Al mixer de Haley que cogí prestado, vamos a agregar el flour, salt, cold butter, and we're going to mix it until everything combines. Estamos buscando un grainy and sand-like texture. Luego le vamos a agregar las yemas de los huevos and we're going to mix some more, and gradually we're going to go ahead and add half a cup of water. Luego de eso, we're going to knead the dough just a bit and we're going to let it rest for 40 to 45 minutes. Luego de eso, vamos a cortar la masa in 8 even slices and we're going to take one of those portions and roll it out using extra flour. Para este paso, pueden usar un cookie cutter, pero como yo no tenía, the coffee mug did the job. Pueden agregarle el filling que su corazón desee. We're going to go ahead and egg wash the edges. We're going to fold it in half y luego con un fork, we're going to crimp all the ends. Y ahí lo tienen, a Dominican empanada. Para los pastelitos is the same order, except we're not folding anything in half. We're using 2 discs, and we're going to go ahead and use a fork and crimp all around it. And as you can see, it is round and not half moon. This is a Dominican pastelito. Finalmente, we're going to poke the pastelitos and the empanada to allow steam to escape when it bakes. Y de último, el egg wash para que coge ese colorcito doradito hermoso. We're going to bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Y ahí lo tienen, mi gente, homemade empanadas and pastelito dough. Happy holidays!